Eating a healthy, balanced diet is an important part of maintaining good health and can help you feel your best. This means eating a wide variety of foods in the right proportions and consuming the right amount of food and drink to achieve and maintain a healthy body weight. People with special dietary needs or a medical condition should ask their doctor or a registered dietitian for advice. Hello everyone, welcome to Smartlyedu in Amazing Facts. In this video, let us see facts of eating a balanced diet. Following a healthy, balanced diet gives you enough energy, macronutrients, and micronutrients to stay healthy. Eating a balanced diet means eating foods from the 5 major groups. A balanced diet will include a variety of foods from the following groups: fruits, vegetable, grains, dairy, protein foods. Fruits. Fruits are nutritious, they make a tasty snack or dessert, and they can satisfy a sweet tooth. Local fruits that are in season are fresher and provide more nutrients than imported fruits. Fruits are high in sugar, but this sugar is natural. Vegetables. Vegetables are a key source of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Eat a variety of vegetables with different colors for a full range of nutrients. Dark, leafy greens are an excellent source of many nutrients. Fats and oils. Fat is essential for energy and cell health, but too much fat can increase calories above what the body needs and may lead to weight gain. Dairy. Dairy products are the main source of calcium that is essential to maintain healthy bones. It is recommended to consume low-fat dairy and soy products like yogurt, low-fat milk, soy milk, and cottage cheese. Lactose-intolerant people can get calcium from other sources such as soy-based products or lactose-free products. Dairy products also provide a variety of nutrients including vitamin D, proteins, and calcium. People following a vegan diet can consume alternatives of dairy products like oats, coconut, flaxseed, almond, and soy-based milk. Grains. There are 2 types of grains: whole and refined grains. Whole grains include the endosperm, germ, and bran of the grain. When eaten, the body slowly breaks down different components of the grain so it has less impact on blood sugar. Moreover, whole grains contain more protein and fiber. Refined grains may cause spikes of blood sugar because they do not contain the natural components found in whole grains, including the outer shell. Protein. Dietary proteins are essential in a balanced diet. It is suggested that proteins should form about a quarter of the plate. Proteins are essential for maintaining muscle mass, development of muscles, growth, wound healing, and other important functions. Animal and plant-based proteins are the main examples of nutrients high in proteins. Animal meats are good sources of protein including red meats, chicken and fish. Plant-based proteins found in legumes, nuts, soy products, and beans are good alternative sources of proteins. Children who don't get enough healthy foods may face growth and developmental problems, poor academic performance, and frequent infections. They can also develop unhealthy eating habits that may persist into adulthood. Foods to avoid. Some of the food groups to avoid in a balanced diet include processed foods, refined grains, alcohol, added sugar and salt, fatty cuts of red meat and processed meat, trans and saturated fats, packaged foods and beverages. Thank you. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe.